Hello, good morning students. In our previous class, we have completed the question number 16 of exercise 3B. In this class, we are going to start from the question number 17. All the questions are based on word problem. See the question number 17. Take out 5.746 from 9.1. 9.1 से 5.746 को हटा देना है. हटा देना मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना. So we will do the subtraction. 9.1 minus 5.746. First we will change these two numbers into a like decimal, then we will subtract. After subtracting, we will get the answer 3.354. So the number 3.354 take out from 9.1 to get 5.746. After that, you all will come to the next question, that is question number 16. Question number 18. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? 63.58 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमको आंसर 92 मिल जाए. So we don't know the other number, so we will let the required number will be x. According to the question, 63.58 is added to which number? So we will get the answer 92. So we will change 63.58 from LHS to RHS. Then we will get x is equal to 92 minus 63.58. So the answer will be x is equal to 28.42. Hence the other number will be 28.42. Now come to the next question. Question number 19. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? 8.1 में से ऐसा क्या नंबर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमारा आंसर 0.813 आ जाए. We don't know the other number, so we will let the other number will be x. According to the question, 8.1 minus x is equal to 0.813. अब हम लोगों को x को एक साइड ले जाना है और सारे कांस्टेंट वैल्यू को एक साइड लाना है. तो x हमारा इस साइड निगेटिव है, तो हम लोग x को ही हम लोग LHS से RHS में ले जाएंगे ताकि हमारा x का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो जाए, और जो RHS में हमारा कांस्टेंट वैल्यू था उसको हम लोग RHS से LHS में ले आएंगे ताकि हमारा सारा कांस्टेंट एक साइड और सारा वेरिएबल एक साइड हो जाए. So 8.1 minus 0.813 is equal to x. After subtracting, we will get the answer x is equal to 7.287. So the number 7.287 subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813. Now come to the next question. Question number 20. How much should 32.67 is increased to get 60.1? 32.67 को कितना बढ़ाया जाए कि हमारा आंसर 60.1 आ जाए. For finding the number, we will do the subtraction. According to the question, 60.1, that means 10 is subtracted to 32.67, we will get 27.43. So 32.67 should be increased by 27.43 to get the answer 60.1. Now the question number 21 is similar to the question number 20. So directly come to the question number 22. Rohit purchases a notebook for rupees 23.75, a pencil for rupees 2.85, and a pen for rupees 15.90. He gave a 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? रोहित एक दुकान में कॉपी खरीदता है और कॉपी का दाम था 23.75. एक पेंसिल खरीदता है, पेंसिल का रेट था 2.85. एक पेन खरीदता है जिसका रेट था 15.90, और वो टोटल अमाउंट शॉपकीपर को 50 रुपीज़ देता है. तो टोटल अमाउंट कितना हुआ, जो 3 चीज़ खरीदा, नोटबुक, पेंसिल और पेन। अब टोटल अमाउंट में से दुकानदार उसे कितना रुपया वापस करेगा वो हम लोगों को बताना है। सबसे पहले हम लोग टोटल अमाउंट निकालेंगे। तो 3 चीज़ खरीदा था, अमाउंट ऑफ द नोटबुक, amount of the pencil and amount of the pen. After adding, we will get 42.50, and Rohit gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So what amount shopkeeper will be returned to the Rohit? So we will do the subtraction. Total amount minus the amount, total amount, that means 50, and the amount for the total amount for the notebook, pen or pencil, that is 42.52. After subtracting, we will get the answer 7.50. That means shopkeeper returned 7.50 rupees to the Rohit. Okay. In this class, we have completed the exercise 3B. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.